Alright guys, it is Sunday, finishing up at the Philly Auto Show. It's the last day, we got about an hour left, and it's been a good show so far, or actually this year was a good show. Got a lot of positive feedback on the car, a lot of people, talking to a lot of people that follow this channel, follow me on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram, I'll put it down here below. Before we leave, we're actually going to drive the car home. Geoff's going to drive the S15, I think Swan's going to be driving the JZX 100. So I have to go outside and grab my XXRs for the front because I don't want to rub the new vinyl off with the RPF ones. Because I still have the 20 mil spacers on, and then I'm going to get rid of the 10 mil spacers on the back underneath the wide bodies, and I'm going to put the 5 mils back on just because I know it's going to rub with the 10 mils because I still haven't cut the stock quarter panel out, which you guys saw in the install video, but we will be doing that. We just didn't have time to do it before the show. And the battery's dead, so I had to buy a jump pack last night. We're gonna get that all situated. So hopefully we can get some good cruising footage of the drive home with the S15, this, and the JZX 100. All right, so we got out of the auto show. Now we're cruising around. Geoff's in the S15, Swan's in the JZX, I'm in the 3000. Javi's taking some pictures, Geoff's nephew, and we're just mobbing around the city. That's a nice dip right there. Fuck. That dip is wild. That dip. Wild. Yeah. Holy f. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I think my head hit the ceiling. Yeah, but I think oh, 19? Well, no, everybody's turbo. This is dope, man. This is cool. All right, guys, we're home. We are home and we beat the snow. It is just starting to snow right now, and the car, unfortunately, is gonna have to sit outside in this little dusting that we're gonna be getting overnight. But I'm gonna get it back inside tomorrow night after work. We just had the raddest cruise home. It was it was awesome. We were rolling through Chinatown, and like people were gathering on the street corners and taking pictures of our cars going through the intersections and stuff like that. And then Geoff's nephew, like I said, Javi, he was taking some pictures and video, and we were rolling down 95, and we stopped at the gas station. It was pretty dope. It was probably, I don't know, I think I had more fun doing that than I did at the auto show. But either way, it was awesome. Shout out to everybody at the auto show that stopped by. Thank you for following the channel. Thanks for stopping by at the auto show. And it was nice meeting some of you guys in person and talking about the car, and you guys seeing the car in person as well. So till the next video, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys next time.
Me and Mike just get us right on the fucking, right on the edge. We can fit 3 in here. Yeah, big dog. He wants to squeeze 3 in.
How do you feel?
I was saying if he's got it.